Finding the unit digit of factorial problems can look tough, but there is always a simple trick. For the first case, you will consider n is less than or equal to 4. Factorials of 1, 2, 3, 4 ends with the unit digit 1, 2, 6 and 4. So unit digit depends on f minus d mod 10, where f is the last digit of the n factorial and d is the last digit of the number k. For this case, we will consider three scenarios when f is greater than d, but then we need no borrow. For example, 4 factorial minus 23, here f is 4 and d is 3. Since f is greater than 3, we will simply subtract 4 from 3, which will give us a unit digit of 1. Next case is f is equal to d. It cancels out to 0. For example, 4 factorial minus 14. Here f is 4 and d is also 4. So the unit digit will be 0. For the last case, f is less than d. Here borrow is needed and we need to wrap it with the mod 10. For example, 4 factorial minus 27 will give us 24 minus 7, which will result in minus 3. Then we need to wrap it with mod 10, which will give us a unit digit of 7. So in short, subtract normally. If the result is negative, just add 10 to get the unit digit. For the second case, we will consider n is greater than or equal to 5. From 5 factorial onward, n factorial ends with 0. So the unit digit depends only on the last digit of k. For this, we can follow this rule. If the last digit of k is 0, then the unit digit will be 0, and otherwise the unit digit will be equal to 10 minus the last digit of k. For example, 6 factorial minus 132. Here the last digit of k is 2. For the unit digit, we need to subtract this 2 from 10, which will give us a unit digit of 8. Next is 7 factorial minus 7000. Here last digit of k is 0, hence the unit digit is 0. For 7 factorial minus 5049, the last digit is 9, hence the unit digit is 10 minus 9 or 1. For the final example, we have 6 factorial minus 125. Here the last digit of the number k is 5, and so the unit digit is 10 minus 5, which will give us 5. This one rule handles all the condition for n is greater than or equal to 5. So conclusion, for n less than or equal to 5, subtract directly, adjust with the mod 10 if negative. For n is greater than or equal to 5, ignore n, just look at the last digit of k. If the k ends with 0, then the unit digit is 0. If the k ends with d is not equal to 0, then the unit digit will be 10 minus d. That's the complete trick for unit digit of n factorial minus k. Now you should try these two examples. What is the unit digit of 3 factorial minus 18 and what is the unit digit of 6 factorial minus 127? Drop your answer in the comment section. See you in the next one.